What was the name of the supercontinent that existed 200 million years ago? A. Laurasia. B. Gondwana. C. Panthalsa. D. Pangaea. The correct answer is D. Pangaea. Where are caucasoids also found in addition to Europe? A. Australia. B. Africa. C. Eurasia. D. Americas. The correct answer is C. Eurasia. Iron and steel and cement industries are examples of which type of industries? A. Forest-based. B. Agro-based. C. Marine-based. D. Mineral-based. The correct answer is D. Mineral-based. Silk weaving and household industries fall under which category? A. Secondary. B. Quaternary. C. Tertiary. D. Primary. The correct answer is A. Secondary. In what year was the Indian Board for Wildlife, IBWL, constituted? A. 1962. Born in 1952. Circa 1982. D. 1972. The correct answer is born in 1952. What is an example of a soft rock mentioned in the text? A. Sand. B. Gravel. C. Clay. D. Granite. The correct answer is C. Clay. What does trade primarily decide for a country? A. Its social welfare programs. B. Its political stability. C. Its cultural development. D. Its economic growth. The correct answer is D. Its economic growth. What is the approximate highest peak height of Mount Everest? A. 884 meters. B. 214 meters. C. 8,848 meters. D. 2,146 meters. The correct answer is C. 8,848 meters. What factor affects agriculture to a large extent along with irrigation facilities? A. Temperature. B. Wind speed. C. Rainfall in the northeast monsoon season. D. Soil type. The correct answer is C. Rainfall in the northeast monsoon season. What does graduated mean in the context of maps? A. Made from a particular material. B. Arranged in a series. C. Designed for specific purposes. D. Colored brightly. The correct answer is B. Arranged in a series. What is the typical altitude range for cumulus clouds? A. Below 6,000 feet. B. 6,000 to 20,000 feet. C. Above 60,000 feet. D. 20,000 to 60,000 feet. The correct answer is A. Below 6,000 feet. What types of equipment are used in fishing as per the text? A. Trawlers and long lines. B. Catamaran, diesel boats, and floating nets. C. Submarines and sonar. D. Fishing rods and bait. The correct answer is B. Catamaran, diesel boats, and floating nets. What trend is observed worldwide regarding the use of renewable resources and energy sources? A. It is decreasing. B. It is increasing. C. It is stagnant. D. It is unstable. The correct answer is B. It is increasing. Which physical feature is not listed as a major physiographic feature of Asia? A. Deep valleys. B. Lofty mountains. C. Peninsulas. D. Islands. The correct answer is A. Deep valleys. What is the second color option listed? A. White. B. Black. C. Grey. D. Brown. The correct answer is D. Brown. What is the uppermost layer of the earth referred to as? A. Soil. B. Mantle. C. Core. D. Crust. The correct answer is A. Soil. What percentage of India's livestock population do cattle constitute? A. 19.8%. B. 25.1%. C. 37.3%. D. 45.0%. The correct answer is C. 37.3%. Which of the following is not a major tributary of the Godavari River? A. Manas. B. Indravati. C. Purna. D. Penganga. The correct answer is A. Manas. Which characteristic describes alluvial soil in terms of productivity? A. Least productive soil. B. Moderately productive soil. C. Most productive of all soils. D. Non-agricultural soil. The correct answer is C. Most productive of all soils. What is the name of the platform used to explore places and scenes from IRS images? A. Cartoview. B. GeoExplorer. C. Bhuvan. D. ISRO Explorer. The correct answer is C. Bhuvan. What is the primary purpose of an arrow pointing to the north on a map? A. To mark water bodies. B. To highlight forests. C. To indicate direction. D. To show elevation. The correct answer is C. To indicate direction. Which hills are located to the northeast of the Cardamom Hills? A. Andipatti Hills. B. Anaimlai Hills. C. Varusnadu Hills. D. Palani Hills. The correct answer is D. Palani Hills. When was Economic and Commercial Geography of India by C.B. Memoria published? A. 2015. Born in 1980. Circa 1978. D. 2000. The correct answer is born in 1980. Which state is mentioned as a region where laterite soils are acidic on higher levels and support crops like coffee and rubber? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Odisha. D. Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is A. Kerala. Which of the following is listed as a disaster event originating beneath the Earth's surface? A. Floods. B. Tsunamis. C. Hurricanes. D. Landslides. The correct answer is B. Tsunamis. What are the three compositional layers of the Earth? A. Seal, Seema, Knife. B. Lithosphere, Asthenosphere, Mesosphere. C. Inner core, outer core, mantle. D. Crust, mantle, core. The correct answer is A. Seal, Seema, Knife. What instrument is used to measure air pressure? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Hydrometer. D. Anemometer. The correct answer is B. Barometer. Which animal is listed as an example of a tertiary consumer? A. Zebra. B. Goat. C. Crocodile. D. Snake. The correct answer is C. Crocodile. Why do not all places on Earth have the same amount of temperature? A. Due to the angle of the sun's rays. B. Due to atmospheric pressure. C. Due to wind patterns. D. Due to ocean currents. The correct answer is A. Due to the angle of the sun's rays. What is India's global ranking in spice production? A. First. B. Third. C. Second. D. Fourth. The correct answer is C. Second. How did you score?